Hi, my name is Vithya Ramaiah. I'm from Malaysia. I discovered Aashwasan through a TV breakfast show. I was watching it, and this beautiful young lady in a blue sari was staring back at my face, talking about Aashwasan. And they said that they were going to do events, and the word event itself kind of got me excited. So I gave them a call and I said, okay, I'm an event person. Can I be of any assistance? And they said, please come over. And I did. I went over. They didn't exactly need my help, but they ended up helping me. At that time, if you had asked me, so what have they done for you? I wouldn't have known what to tell you. At that moment, I needed some strength. They helped me out with it, and then that's all I could say, And many years later, now as I'm going through some serious health issues and needed some directions in life, I realized whatever we worked on at the beginning is what has given me the strength to deal with what I'm going through right now. Aashwasan, Rashmi, Ravi, Maithili, a few other names, Robert, everybody. They've helped me in so many ways that right now I know the reason I have this strength is because of what they have done, what they have helped me with. Happy anniversary. My love and hugs to everyone, and thank you so much for everything that you are. Thank you.